Hi everyone! Have you ever wanted to speak English fluently, but don't have anyone to practice with? Well, you're not alone. Let me tell you a story that might just change the way you learn English forever. This is the story of Daniel, a shy student who learned to speak English fluently completely on his own. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll learn 5 daily speaking tips that really work even if you're practicing alone. Daniel was 23 years old. He lived in a small town where no one spoke English. He wanted to travel, study abroad, and meet people from all over the world. But he had one problem. He was afraid to speak English. He had no one to practice with, and he often felt stuck. One day, Daniel decided, if I can't find a speaking partner, then I'll become my own partner. And that decision changed everything. Daniel started with the mirror. Every morning, he stood in front of it and spoke about his plans for the day. He said things like, "Today, I'm going to study English. Then, I'll make some coffee and go for a walk." At first, he made mistakes, but he didn't stop. Speaking to the mirror helped him build confidence and improve his pronunciation. Daniel downloaded a voice recorder app. Every night, he recorded himself talking about his day in English. Then, he listened back. He noticed his grammar mistakes, his weak vocabulary, and his pronunciation. He started correcting himself and improving fast. Daniel started talking to objects around his room. "This is my chair. It's soft. I sit here when I read. This lamp helps me see when it's dark." He described everything in English. Soon, it became a game, a daily habit. After watching English videos, Daniel would pause and try to retell the story in his own words. So, the man went to the market and he bought some fruit. It helped him practice speaking, thinking, and remembering in English without needing anyone else. The most powerful thing Daniel did, he started thinking in English. Instead of translating from his native language, he said, "I'm hungry. Time to sleep." That was funny. No translation. Just natural English thoughts. Daniel kept practicing every day. 1 month later, he was more confident. 3 months later, he was fluent enough to join English conversation groups online. He got a remote job. He started teaching others. And it all started by practicing alone. Remember, mere speaking builds confidence. Recording your voice helps with self-correction. Talking to objects builds vocabulary. Retelling stories trains your fluency. Thinking in English rewires your brain. Which of these tips will you try today? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment "Speak English Alone" to show you're serious. And a bonus tip: use your phone's voice assistant to talk in English. Say things like, "What's the weather today?" "Remind me to study English at 6 p.m. You're practicing and learning at the same time. You don't need a partner to speak English. You just need passion, consistency, and these simple daily habits. Remember Daniel's story and make it your own. Practice English speaking alone and speak like a pro. So, what are you waiting for? Start to date talk to your mirror, record your voice, describe your world, retell stories, and think in English. Remember, Fluency isn't Magic Hit's daily practice. If Daniel could do it alone, so can you. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more content. And type "Speak English Alone" in the comments to show you're ready to take action. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and never stop believing in yourself. See you in the next video.